Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicweb.com. Got a couple of questions in the email and needed to explain it a little bit, so I decided to make the video. It's about the USDX. I sent out two charts. The first one was this one, and this one was basically starting from here, April 10th, USDX 4-hour chart, saying that we probably will go for as a reaction to this butterfly pattern back up to 7303. I mention always several times, all the time, that harmonic patterns are basically the same as Elliott wave in different perspective. So if you do the calculation, if you know what it is, then you will find out, also the nicely calculated wave count in Elliott wave within the harmonic patterns. So this one here is like A, B, C. It is wave 1 and 2. From C to D is wave 3. Now we need a wave 4. Okay, so this is exactly what is unfolding here. So we are going for wave 4. This is wave 1, 2, and 3. Nicely calculated. This wave 2 is 61% of wave 1. If you do the calculation, use this tool from here to here. This is 61%, 61.8% exactly. Okay, and this thing is, you use this expansion tool here, just showing for the new people here. Okay, so you need wave 3, 1.618 of wave 1. So we almost, like few pips shy, but we are close to. This is 1.618 right here. Okay, maybe 4 or 5 pips shy. So this is wave 3. Now if you have wave 1, 2, 3, then you need wave 4, like this one. You have wave 1, 2, then you need wave 3, then you need wave 4. Either it's side wave or sometimes it's a fast, wave 4, just like wave 2. So what we're having now is, fast wave 2. The reason I said that it is probably going to turn like this one, this chart, the new one I sent out, that maybe we will be finishing wave 4 and dropping from 38% of this last drop from C to D. The reason is that this is how it does sometimes. So the calculation for the wave 4 is 38% of wave 3. So that's the reason. But the main target was going to 7303 area, which was also 50% of this drop instead of 38%. So it's perfectly fine. Wave 4 could be 38%. Most of the time it's 38%, but very often 50% as well. So if it goes up to 50%, that's fine. 50% is 7301. This area here, 7303. Okay, this is it. This is a daily low. If I can show you here or here, this is the area. Okay, this is low here, 7303. So that's where we're going to test it. You see, this is how we do. We go up here, we drop, we break it, we go up, and then we come back and test it. Then we go up here again, and then we came back, test it one more time, then we go up, test it this time. Same thing when we coming back, see this high, we break this here, came down and went up to test it. Came down, went up again to test it. Came down exactly to this area, right? Then we're coming down in 5 wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what you see on my 4-hour chart basically. 1, 2, 3, we are finishing wave 4 to the upside, maybe 38%. On a smaller time frame, on a 1-hour chart, you can see very nice sideway movement, which is the characteristic of wave 4. A, B, C, just like here. A, B, C, sideway flat correction, followed by wave 5. So we need probably one little more push, wave 5, to go to 50%, which is also 73%. I mean 7303 area. So we will be going up perfectly there. So both of my charts are showing the same thing basically, that we are going to 7303 area, and then we will probably drop for wave 5. Okay, so there is no conflict there. Only the question was that if this thing is going up right now, that means the Aussie is getting strong. I mean USD is getting strong. And if we are starting to come down, then it will be getting weaker. And then on the other hand, I'm expecting Aussie to get weaker. Then how are we going to define the price movement in Aussie? We don't. If both currencies are getting weaker or stronger, the pair doesn't move. It go into ranging. Okay. They just start ranging. So what do? That you leave that pair for, leave alone for a short time until you go and do something else, and then come back to see if it start moving. Only imbalance created by some event or some news or some catalyst will make the pair move. Otherwise, it will just range. The common sense, a common news or common understanding in the market is that the market ranges 80% of the time. Only 20% of the time it moves, which is right, because we move. Big moves happens like for a couple of hours, 2-3 hours, 4 hours, and the rest of the time we're just dragging to one place to another or ranging, something like that, right? So this is how the imbalance happens, that if you have the data coming out, the news is calendar, economic calendar, just watching that, and this in those newses, around those newses time, you have the move, depending on what kind of news coming out. So this is how it is. Let's go and take a look quickly. If you were talking about the Aussie doing the same thing, by the way, Aussie index. Okay, so this is like wave 1, 2, and then 3, and this is small wave 4, and it is probably going to 62, 127 area, 127 FE of this thing. Let me show you. You see this wave A, B, and then C. 127 is 62, 69. On a monthly, we have a level 62, 67. So this is a very strong area that we need to go and touch. Last time we didn't touch it, and we just fall into like a small fourth wave correction kind of thing. This is A, B, and then wave 5 has like 3 waves, 1, 2, 3. Then this probably small 4, and then wave 5. 3 is too big. So once the 3 is too big, then the wave 4 is very small, and then wave 5 usually get truncated. Don't even go beyond wave 3. So this one probably will go beyond a little bit and then hit this 127 area, and then probably drop. Probably, when I say probably, means that I expect it, but I'm not sure. Nobody's sure, right? So what we do is we look at the price as if then strategy, that if it start dropping, then we will follow, or we do this, or we do that. If it's not dropping, then we do something else. Okay, this is how it is. So if the dollar for now, let's say this index is going up a little bit and our USD is going up a little bit, both getting strong, what will happen to you Aussie USD? Nothing. Is going to be ranging. Leave that pair alone. I will leave. Why? Because we have better things to do. Pound yen, pound index. Let's go take a look quickly. What happened to pound? I send out that index triangle, right? That is going to start going up, and it already did. We are here now, nice and clean. Let me show you if I have the pound index open up here. See, this is the chart I sent out, and we are hitting this triangle now, nice and clean. So pound was getting strong, and on the other side was pound yen is where now? Right here. And pound yen chart was, I sent out this. So we were bouncing, pound was getting strong, yen was getting weaker. Why? Because yen index, I send out the chart that is going to be bouncing from here, right? And it already did. So when you have these clear picture that indexes are bouncing and moving, then you choose the pair. What I was looking at, index, yen index. Whoops. See, not too far yet. We still have a long way to go. So we are following that too. It was here. I said it's going to come down to TL. It did. Now it's going up. Okay. So yen is going up, yen index. So it's getting weaker. It's opposite all the other index. So yen index going up means getting weaker. Pound index is also going up, bouncing from there. That means it was getting strong. So the best pair to trade is pound yen. I also sent out euro yen as well, but euro got weaker, so that pair moved a little bit. Yeah, 70, 80 pip, probably 100 pip, and then start dropping or whatever. So pound yen, let's take a look quickly how far and how nicely we are tracking this. For the new people, I want to show that, what is it? It's not pound index. No, it's a GJ I'm talking about. Okay. We are tracking and trading this pair from here, from C, and it says, well, it's making a triangle, and we're going for the D leg, and then we will come down for E, and then fly to the upside. So what happened after that is wrong way. See, we went up to D, then we start coming down for E, 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 and now we need to go up, and we did. Now, from here, okay? So right now we are somewhere here, and if the pound index is keep getting strong and yen keep getting weaker, you know what this pair is going to do. So watch this one, euro yen. Also, yen is getting weaker, so all the yen pairs, watch them. They're going to be going up. Okay, so I'll see if I can find more setup and send out. But this is how it is. This is the USDS. Hope things are clear now. USDS, my daily chart, my 4-hour chart, both showing that we are probably going to go up a little bit more to 73 area, which is a 50% of the last drop as wave 4, and then we will drop for wave 5, and we'll see from there how it's going to go. On a higher time frame, index is in ranging condition, USDX. So we just play the range. Whenever the moves start, we go behind it, simply. Okay. So this is it for now. Any more questions you have, just throw me in the email. I'll try to make another video and explain even more further. Okay. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.